Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Mama Army is here for an update of my Tiny Tan. Here's my RM, the leader. Hello, I'm RM, Kim Namjoon. Musta naman po mga ka-armies ang ating collection for this edition? Hi, I'm your hope, you're my hope. I'm J-Hope. Nakailang beses ka bang bumisita sa McDonald's branch? Nakailang branches ka ba? Para lang mahanap ang yung nawawalang Tiny Tan. Hi guys, I'm V. I'm a good boy. The most handsome man in the world. Ito yung mga nabili na anak ko from her office. And now here comes another member. Hi, I'm Jimin. The cutest, sexy, lovely guy. Actually, isang branch lang na nabilang ko. At inuna ko na yung bias ko dahil I'm sure na mauubusan talaga ako nito. At plano ko uling bumili of my bias para sa aking voucher. Dahil itong mga ito ay for my collection, for display only. Now, fifth member, hello, I'm worldwide handsome, Jean. You know you're a jokey guy. Stop it. Sixth member, hi, I'm Sugar. Medyo kay JK ako natagalan. Nakailang balik ako ng batch for JK. And finally, and the last member and the youngest of the group, the Golden McNay, the strongest man of the group, the main vocalist. Hi Army, I'm JK John Jungkook. And finally, throwback editions are completed now. What a great experience po in collecting these items. It's a dream come true dahil matagal ko nang gusto magkaroon ng ganitong collection from Tiny Tan. Korahe!